Registering your Presto card as a student is a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step in this tutorial. Firstly, if you haven't already, you need to create a Presto account. Click on New to Presto and then sign up at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Next. You'll receive a verification code via email, which you'll need to enter on the website. After verifying your email, create a password for your account and provide your personal information, including your name, address, city, country, postal code, and phone number. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on Create an Account. Your account will be created, and you'll be directed to the dashboard. Now, you can register your Presto card as a student by following these steps. Log into your Presto account and navigate to the section for card registration. Select the option to register a new card and choose Student as the card type. Enter the required information, including your student ID number, school details, and any other relevant information. Once you've completed the registration process, your Presto card will be registered as a student card, and you'll be eligible for any student discounts or benefits available. That's all there is to it. You've successfully registered your Presto card as a student,